Kanhun Menteri Jok Sorkar jela hakasni palai kala manjur penkala ya ka Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Policy bat ka draft Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsman Direct Appointment Service Rule. Kaban ai jing mentoi ya nongialehkai Nagalang ukanrat ulai thu ba ngilat wanra ya kene karai menta lahan riu nyau benai bat ngisngau ba kidon katu kani ke benta kiba ka Kanhun Menteri kahap ban penkala ban yarap ya nongialehkai. Ulai tu bakarul ka batamai kan ai lat nongialehkai ke job ya kitakma ha nongialehkai bala itu kum ka Olympic bat National Games bakinyo ya jing tungkam bej ha kam Sorkar. Ula pentip ban sepenkai ke Special Cadre naga benda nongialehkai bala paunam ban pentikina bakanam don jing pentut ha jing penkiu kerdan bat kiwe jing mento ya kiwe bat nong trai chong katanan.
We have also cleared today the approval for the amendment of the Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsman's Direct Appointment Policy. As you're aware, we had come out with this decision about 6-7 months back, and we felt that there were certain amendments, very minor amendments that were made, which would go in favor of the sports persons. Those small amendments have been made in the policy. At the same time, in continuation with that, we have also come out with approval for the draft Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsman's Direct Appointment Service Rules. So the rules have also been approved so that this can go ahead. And basically we have decided that we will come out with a special cadre in this case, in a nutshell. A special cadre will be there, where those who get the medals in those specific tournaments that were mentioned, like Olympics or the National Games, South Asian Games. So there are few selected games which are categorized. So this does not apply to all, as you all know. It's not that every single championship this applies to. It applies to the recognized games. There are 6 of them. So based on that, whoever gets a medal, and based on the medal, a certain category will be given. And we have decided, as I said, in order to ensure that there is no effect in the service of other employees and the staff in the departments, that there will be a special category that will be created. A cadre will be created for the sports person, outstanding sports person, and it will be as per the individual, and that post of course will discontinue once the person retires. So that will ensure that we give the post to the person, as well as we ensure that there is no disturbance in the promotions and other things for the other service, other staff of the departments. So these rules were made today, were passed today in the cabinet. You're aware that there is a 2% reservation for sports persons in the reservation policy, and in the past there was always a confusion as to who will certify these sports persons and how will they certify, and who are recognized, who are not recognized. So today we have come out with a small rules in process, under which the sports persons 2% category will be certified by the sports department, by the directorate, and this is an online application the sports persons have to give, and once they give that application, a set certificate will be given to all eligible individuals, so that with that certificate they are able to apply for this 2% sports person category reservation, because it was not there earlier. Also, as per the 15th Finance Commission's rules, or rather the recommendations, as you are aware, that an additional 0.5% of debt to GSDP ratio was allowed to be taken up in the fiscal deficit of 3.5% was allowed. I stand corrected. Fiscal deficit of 3.5% was allowed. So therefore, every year, every state government has to pass this, the Fiscal Responsibility Budget Management Act has to be amended, so that it allows the particular state to take that 0.5% additional amount. As I said, this is for the whole country. Every state is allowed, and this has been allowed by the Finance Commission. So based on that, this year also we are amending that. So that was one of the agendas that was taken up, and of course this will be placed in the assembly for approval.